Hey, it's Dr. Weiss from Norterra Family Medicine. Happy Wellness Wednesday. I wanted to introduce to you all a new test that we are offering at Norterra Family Medicine. It is called the Linus Cognitive Assessment. This is going to be performed on all of our patients to check baseline brain health. I think a lot of us, as we age, become more concerned about memory loss. We're forgetting things. We might forget names. We might forget where we put our keys, those kinds of things. And it's a big concern, in addition to the fact that, a lot of us are worried about dementia and developing signs or symptoms of cognitive decline. So at our office, we now are having our patients do a test. This test, again, is called the Linus test. It's something that we can complete at the time of your visit. It uses an iPad with very simple instructions, and it's a very sensitive test. So this test allows us to check your brain health, and it provides an immediate assessment, a score that we can then use to determine next steps. So those next steps, if you have an abnormal test, might include some imaging studies like brain MRI. It might also include some laboratory studies. So checking for possibly laboratory abnormalities that can cause memory loss, that can affect memory, and also things like testing for Alzheimer's disease, the markers that are associated with Alzheimer's disease. So these things are now available. Highly recommend all of our patients over the age of 65 have this test completed annually. And so we've already started with that. We're incorporating that into our annual wellness exams now. And I think it's great. It's going to really be a nice tool for us that we previously did not have available to us, to really help our patients gain a better understanding for their brain health, things that they can do at home to improve memory, such as dietary factors, getting enough sleep. So eating a healthy, balanced diet is really important. Exercising your brain as well as your body. So doing brain games, things like Sudoku, crossword puzzles. I personally like to do Wordle. That's on the New York Times games. Things like that, just to make sure that my brain is sharp. And again, getting enough sleep is really important. And there are some supplements that we can recommend as well, based on your labs. If you have any vitamin deficiencies or issues with thyroid, things like that, we can address that as well. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at 623-565-5060, and we can explain further what the Linus test can do for you and how we can go about assessing your brain health here in our office.